Morning children, today we are going to look for the second chapter. Plants and animals also need water. Do you think plants and animals need water? Yes, because they are living things. Living things need water to survive. Plants also need water. Plants need water to make their food. They make their food with the help of air, water and sunlight. Rain is the main source of water on the land. Rainwater goes into the soil. Plants get this water from the soil through their roots. In the last chapter we have learnt about the roots there. Now see, we'll see how it happens everything. See, you can do one thing, do this activity. Take some seeds and put them and deep in a pot filled with soil. Do not water the seeds. Now take some more seeds and put them deep in another pot filled with soil. Water the second pot daily. After some days, you will see some all green plants coming out of the second pot while nothing grows in the first pot. This happens because the seeds in the second pot get water to grow. This growth of seeds is called germination. So, we can say that water is needed for the germination of the seeds. Now, let's see for the process of germination. See here, look at this picture, students. See, a boy is watering the plant, and with the help of water and from the soil and the sunlight, the trees prepare their own food also. And also, this seed can grow. This seed, with the help of sunlight, germinates here, then it shoots into a plant and a small plant is grown. This shows that water is needed for the germination of seeds. Turn the page. Now see here, some plants grow in water. They are called aquatic plants. Lotus, water, lily and water hyacinth are aquatic plants. Look at this picture. Lotus and this are aquatic plants. There is another activity here to show that. What do they show? They will show you that plants need water. See this. One pot. There are two pots here. This pot is wetted and this is fresh and green. Why? What do you think about it? That means, see what they have done. Kept the plant without water for 2 to 3 days. See, this plant is without water and the plant starts drying. So they kept it inside and now they started to water the plant every day. After that, after watering the plant started looking green and fresh again. This shows that the plants need water to survive. In the same way, animals also need water. Animals need water. Animals living in the forest get water from ponds, rivers, lakes or streams. Domestic and pet animals get water from humans. Water also provides home for many animals like fish, whale and octopus. The animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. More plants and animals. All plants and animals need water, but some plants and animals need less water than others. For example, cactus. Cactus plant needs very little water to grow with very less water. Cactus does not have leaves like other plants. Its leaves are converted into spines. That is why this plant can grow with minimum water. And there is one animal which needs very little water. What is it? That is camel. Camel is found in the desert. We know that very less water is available in the desert, but camels can survive there. Camel is an animal that can live without water and food for many days. Desert rats and snakes also need less water to live. Now just look at these questions. Hmm? Take correct mark for the answers. Plants get water from the dash, rock, soil, air. So the answer is soil. Second one. A plant that grows in water. Which plant grows in water? Lotus. So take here. Next. Plants need air, sunlight and dash to make food. The box is here, help box is here. You can use water. Fish is an dash animal, aquatic animal. The cactus plants has spines in the place of leaves. Answer the following questions. What happens when seeds are put in the wet soil? What happens? Yes, they shoot into, they germicide. Germination takes place and from that a small plant shoot out. Name any three plants, aquatic plants and aquatic animals. Name the following pictures. Think and answer. Why do we need water? To water the plants twice in summer. Why? Can you say? Because in summer the sun is very hot. Even we people, human beings need more water. The same way plants also need more water, and because the soil is also dry because of the heat of the sun. Now this is one question. Kanika daily waters the plant kept in the pots in her home without being reminded of it. What value is shown by Kanika? Responsibility, sharing or politeness? What is the answer, students? Responsibility. That means you have to take care of all the plants, animals around you. Yes, children, will you do that? Do you have a garden in your house? Yes. Then you have to plant small trees or small plants and take care of them. Thank you.